Alright, once you're in OneLink, you click on Office 365, and we're going to come over here, open PowerPoint, blank presentation, and we are going to name it. So I click right here, hit the backspace, and our name is PowerPoint Challenge, and we are going to save it in our Discovery folder in OneDrive. So I click right here, and I go to my Discovery folder in OneDrive, and I click Move Here. So now it is in my Discovery folder in OneDrive. And now I need to make sure I open in Desktop App. So I go to Editing, Open in Desktop App, Open PowerPoint, and there it is.